Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm over the moon, and you?
I'm fine also.
Oh, may I talk to you?
Yes, of course.
Oh, where are you from?
I am from Nilphamari.
You found it's very interesting area.
Yeah, this is the northern part of Bangladesh.
Yes.
And you?
I'm from Shipchar Upazila. Shipchar is the first smart and digital Upazila. It is situated southern central part of Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Do you know Shipchar?
Yes, under of Madaripur district. I visited Sovietpur, Madaripur, Gopalganj lots of time for my job purpose.
Oh, good. Why have you completed your study?
I completed my honors and masters from Russia University under anthropology.
Russia University, public university.
Yeah. Feelings about the visit.
Yes, I'm very enjoying here. This is my first time I come here.
This is your
from
first
English
time?
fantasy, yes.
Yeah, I came here lots of time. My uncle's grave is Buddhijibi Kaburistan near to here.
Basically, where are you living now?
Now I live in Dhaka from 2000 to till now, but after 2017 I live in Cox's Bazar about 5 years or 6 years. Here I went to Bhasanchar. Do you know Bhasanchar? This is in Noakhali under Hatia Upazila.
I have heard this
there is a leap in Rohingya people. I work in Rohingya people.
Rohingya issue?
Yeah.
Oh. Are you a job holder?
Yes, I am a job holder in international organization, Islamic Relief. Lately, I work in as a PSC and child safeguarding officer.
It is a very good job.
Yeah.
For you, for our country, for save our child.
Yeah, I came English fantasy for my fluency.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is traveling, cooking, shopping, sleeping. And your hobby?
There are many favorite hobbies. My favorite hobbies are traveling and riding bike.
What is your goal?
My aim in life is to be a software engineer. So I'm trying to learn English from English fantasy. Then I will go abroad to learn software engineering.
You are
so pray for me.
Okay. Yes, of course. I always pray for my junior and I always respect for my senior and teachers, etc.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.